My name is Andrew.
Yeah.
Hey, what's your name?
Hello.
What's my name?
Daddy.
What motivated me to landscape the yard is primarily to get a spot for my little one to go out and explore. What are you doing right now in the garden?
I'm digging a dresser.
Oh, you're digging a lava pit?
Yeah.
The other part of it, my mom's always been a big gardener, and so kind of carrying on that connection to gardening or landscaping.
Got it.
What's been fun about this project is you kind of set up parts of your yard that will pop off at different times. So like, right by my driveway, my lupine was going crazy early, and now it's a seaside daisy. So it kind of goes from one side of my yard to another, and you just have those areas of interest throughout the year. For maintenance on a yard like this, now that it's established, it's really not bad. During this time of year, I might spend an hour or two in a month. And that's just, doing some general weeding, doing some deadheading, which is just kind of cutting some of the flowers that have died back. And that helps kind of them want to grow more, so just kind of encouraging that growth. During the fall, I might spend a little bit more time, but that's more just me tinkering than anything else. One of the things that I like about my yards is I have a mixture of natives and ornamentals. It doesn't just have to be native. There's a place for any sort of plant. We kept some grass in the back too, so that we have some grassy area for the dog, for the chickens to come out and roam, for him to go run around. So it doesn't have to be an all or nothing thing. Oh, I think they got enough food for right now. Everything can serve a purpose. So I think that's an important thing to let folks know if they are looking at doing something, that you can make it your own.